Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business from cyber attacks with Symantec, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of cybersecurity is crucial for any business. Cyber attacks can lead to data breaches, financial losses, and damage to your company's reputation. Symantec offers solutions to help protect your business from these threats. Start by assessing your current security posture. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify vulnerabilities in your systems. Review your network infrastructure and data management practices. Next, implement a robust antivirus and anti-malware solution. Symantec's endpoint protection provides comprehensive security against various forms of malware. Make sure to keep your software updated regularly. Outdated software can create vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. Consider using Symantec's threat intelligence feature for real-time threat updates. This allows you to stay informed about the latest cyber threats affecting your industry. Implement a strong firewall to protect your network perimeter. Firewalls are critical for controlling incoming and outgoing traffic. Ensure that your employees are well trained in cybersecurity best practices. Conduct regular training sessions on identifying phishing attempts and social engineering tactics. Create a clear data backup strategy. Regularly backup your critical data to minimize losses in case of a cyber attack. Store backups in a secure, off-site location. Enable multi-factor authentication for sensitive accounts and applications. This adds an additional layer of security beyond just passwords. Regularly monitor your network for unusual activity. Symantec's advanced monitoring tools can help detect anomalies in real time. Develop an incident response plan to prepare for potential cyber threats. This should include steps for containment, investigation, and recovery. Test your incident response plan regularly to ensure effectiveness. Document all security policies and ensure they are accessible to employees. Review these policies periodically to make necessary updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.